Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming in and checking out my new video. Today's new video, we're actually gonna be reviewing Aniise Boxycharm. You'll see what I'll be talking about, because it's such a disappointment in one product. But you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. So if you wanna see what's the disappointment and what's going on, please keep watching. If you're new to my channel, you never heard of me, never seen me, I don't know. I have no idea. But you know, if you don't know who I am, I don't know, man. It's all you. It's all you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get more updates when and where and how and why I put up a new video. My content's all about makeup, beauty, skincare, product testing, unboxing, things like that. And I cuss a lot, so if it bothers you, I'm so sorry. I mean, this is who I am. Like, if somebody knows me, like in person, I cuss a lot, and that's how it they say that people who cuss a lot are very smart. Anyway, so let's go ahead and also talk about Boxycharm August unboxing. So this month, I don't know how to say this. Let's just say the choices, I got fucked over the choices. I kept saying that my payment fell into something and that it took me a while to get charged, when that wasn't the case. That's not true. And I actually chose the Too Faced concealer, and I got something. I got this. Even though I actually was thinking about getting this product, I was thinking, I'm like, hey, I should get it. Why not? You know, Glam Glow is actually a really good brand. But I was actually going into Too Faced concealer because, you know, it's freaking expensive. It actually works as a foundation. I was like very curious to try it, but then when I got this, and I'm like, what the fuck happened? I got fucked over. So the theme of this month is actually called spa, camping, and boxy something. What is it? Boxy camping. I know with what's going on right now, people are doing camping, and I have never gone camping. I don't like going camping because of, you know, mosquitoes and animals and bears, and you know, I don't do that. So that's the theme. I got variation number 28, and here are all the product listed. Now the Glam Glow is actually $54. We have the Tristique Summer Glow. It's actually $42, and it comes with 4 pens, which I'm gonna put on my giveaway. And then we have Tristique and Made for Every Mood. It's a mini lipstick, and they're very pretty, which I'm also gonna do in my giveaway. And we have the Morphe Eye Set. I actually already used it. That's how I created this look right here. Ow. That's how I created this look. We have, oh my bad, the Eye Set is actually $12. It's not bad. The price is not bad, and the brushes are really good. That's how I created this look. Ow. And then we have an eye primer, which I was talking shit about it, but then I used it on this look, and look how it came out. Like, there was no fallout or anything like that. But you guys are gonna see on my next video, and it came out really good, and that's how I did it. Alright, let's talk about each product. So first, let's go with the Glam Glow. Glam Glow is $54. It's an Omega Rich moisturizer. Look at that bottle. Look how beautiful the bottle is. And when you open the bottle and you see how there's no smell at all, which is good. And look how that looks. Like, it's a beautiful green, Mota green color. And I used it before applying my look, and it made my skin really smooth. Like, my makeup, my foundation came up in it, and it's so smooth. But then look at that. And then it varies a moisturizer, so I'm gonna use it once whenever I do my makeup, because I think it works as a primer, but there's no smell. I mean, if you're allergic to smell whenever you put the moisturizer, this one is the product. It doesn't do that, and it's very goes smoothly. Now, actually, was glad to get this. I have a lot of skincare, but with this product, you know, I don't complain. I just wanted my Too Faced concealer, but it is what it is. So next product we have here is the Morphe for set. I got this eye brush collection, and that's how I came up with this look. I use all brushes right here, and the brushes are they're so smooth, like they're very, there was no fallout with the brushes, there was nothing. And look at that, each brush is, oh, I lost one. Oh, so each brush is something to use for the eyes. So we have the oval shadow brush. I believe it's gonna be, shit, which one is it? I don't ever say names, that's the bad thing. I will say that this one, okay, so I think this one right here is the oval brush. I would think so, I would say so. And I used it for this look. Now then we have the Pro Firm Blending Crease. I would say it's gonna be this one right here. I didn't use this one. I actually didn't use it, but look how nice it looks. It's so smooth. And then we have the Tapper Mini Blender Brush. Oh wait, what's that one? Oh no, wait, no. It wasn't that one, it was this one. This one right here. I also used this one for the look. And then we have this one right here, which is the Angle Liner brush that I use to put on the shimmer on my eye. And these brushes are actually $4. That's a bargain. I can't believe it myself. These brushes are good, you guys. They're freaking good. Beautiful brushes, and I can't wait to do more looks with this 4-piece set. I haven't purchased brushes from Morphe in such a long time. I used to buy them at the family. Just kidding. No, I'm kidding. Very glad to get these brushes because I can't wait to do more looks with this brush. Next thing on the box, we have the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. I did mention a lot that this primer is so small. Very, very small, but it's so good, you guys. Look at my eyes. That's what I use for my eyes. There was no fallout with this primer. There was no fallout. There was either no fallout with the brushes. There was no little things I need, you know. There was no fallout. It's crazy. Then I also created that look right here in the middle. I used this. I was talking shit about this primer, but now I love this primer, this eye primer. So I'm gonna keep using it for any looks that I do. Never heard of Elizabeth Mott. Never heard of her. And then this product is cruelty free. So hey, cruelty free. Lastly, we have this Tristique and Made for Every Mood, which is a lipsticks. I'm not gonna open them because it's gonna be added to my giveaway. But those are the colors. They're beautiful colors, and some lucky subscribers gonna get them. And it's gonna be really, just gonna look really beautiful with these colors. And also we have the Tristique. The Tristique, this is $58, and this one is $42. And this is kind of like a highlight brush, mini shadow crayon, and mini brow. But also a lucky subscriber is gonna get this. I'm so jealous. Look at that. Those are beautiful crayons. I'm not gonna open them because it's for my giveaway. The lucky subscriber is gonna get both, and it's actually each product, it costs, let me see, I'm very bad at math, very bad, so it's one is $42 and the other one is $58. That's $100, and this box costs $25. So imagine the price. That's $100 and something. I'm not good at math, but you guys see the difference. So if you haven't entered my giveaway, I will suggest you do, because I'm gonna keep adding to my giveaway. The giveaway deadline is actually gonna be on the 25th of September, not the 15th, the 25th. I think I'm extending it like 10 more days so people can enter. So all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel, to this channel right here, comment below, your Instagram handle, and the hashtag Brenda's Beauty Blog giveaway. That's how I'm gonna be picking the winners, just with the hashtag. So if you post your Instagram username in the hashtag, my hashtag giveaway, that's how I'm gonna be selected. So it's not that bad, not that hard. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, Instagram handle, comment at your Instagram handle, and the hashtag, and there you go. And I'm gonna be adding you to my giveaway. It's not that hard, guys. Oh my god, it's not that hard. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow me on social media. Here are the handles. So remember to follow me on Instagram, I think it's here, yeah, Instagram. That way you can enter my giveaway and you can get all those prizes. I mean, I posted a picture on my Instagram so you guys can see what I'm putting. Then I'm gonna be putting more products in it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.